What is the one word for a narrow fissure in rock? The correct answer is rift. What is the one word for the historic period preceding the Middle Ages in Europe? The correct answer is antiquity. What is the one word for cause to become widely known? The correct answer is disseminate. What is the one word for expressing sorrow? The correct answer is plaintive. What is the one word for after the expected or usual time? The correct answer is belated. What is the one word for spontaneously derived from or prompted by a natural tendency? The correct answer is intuitive. What is the one word for a cry of sorrow and grief? The correct answer is lament. What is the one word for lack of self-assurance? The correct answer is diffidence. What is the one word for spur on or encourage, especially by cheers and shouts? The correct answer is exhort. What is the one word for restore to good health or strength? The correct answer is recuperate. What is the one word for pertaining to a code of beliefs accepted as authoritative? The correct answer is dogmatic. What is the one word for an onerous or difficult concern? The correct answer is encumbrance. What is the one word for a preceding occurrence or cause or event? The correct answer is antecedent. What is the one word for unpleasantly loud and harsh? The correct answer is raucous. What is the one word for someone who is not a clergyman or a professional person? The correct answer is secular. What is the one word for an impressive display or assortment? The correct answer is array. What is the one word for give entirely to a specific person, activity, or cause? The correct answer is consecrate. What is the one word for a subtle difference in meaning or opinion or attitude? The correct answer is nuance. What is the one word for the act of competing as for profit or a prize? The correct answer is contention. What is the one word for an earnest attempt at persuasion? The correct answer is exhortation.